Hey y'all, I hope you are as excited for this wash day as I am. As you guys see, this video is sponsored by Curls. They sent me this box of products and I cannot wait to show you. If you follow me on my Instagram, you probably already got to see the little preview, but go ahead and stay tuned for these results from start to finish.
I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
Hey folks, and welcome back to my channel, Coils.
How you doing?
If you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because this video is gonna be so much fun and you guys are gonna be hooked. I already know. I cannot wait. And it is by none other than Curls. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get right into this video. So just like you would start any wash day, we are starting off with the shampoo, and this is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. And yes, it smells just like blueberries. It is so beautiful with this like feathery blue, like sky blue, and that pearlized. It's just, and the way that it looks, y'all, is exactly the way it feels when you apply it to your hair. And immediately once it makes contact with my hair, with my strands, you guys can see like my curls are starting to get so defined. They're starting to clump on their own. There's so much slip in this shampoo. Like I'm able to finger detangle, and I'm not gonna show it, but I do shampoo twice with this. But I'm definitely gonna give you guys a close-up. Like, this is with it rinsed out after the second wash, and my hair is moisturized, and I know you see that shine and that glaze. Like, so on to deep conditioning. And this deep conditioner, it's actually white. The camera kind of makes it look a little bit blue, but y'all, it's like putting a non-sticky melted marshmallow on your hair. Like, it's literally heaven in a jar. You guys have probably heard me say this before, but I mean it this time. Like, this is heaven. And deep conditioning was so easy. Like, my hair was already moisturized, my hair was already hydrated, my hair was already half detangled because of the shampoo. So this process was just so easy. Like, and if I didn't say it, this is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Restorative Hair Mask. So yeah, I'm gonna get my Felicia Leatherwood in a second and give this a thorough detangle and give you guys a close-up, and I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy this. I'll be back for styling. Hey guys, so I am back out of the shower, and y'all, I really could not wait till the end of this video to rate all of these products. Like, we're gonna go in right now. So starting with Curls Blueberry Bliss Restorative Hair Wash, enriched with organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, and chamomile extract, and it is clinically proven to protect, repair, restore, and grow your curls. You guys saw the clip of how my curls were really clumping and like so defined just from shampooing my hair. I don't know how to explain it. Like, this really put moisture back in my hair, and it's a shampoo. You see it? So yes, 10 out of 10 curls. On to the next product, and this is, both of these are now new favorites, but hands down, y'all, This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, and this is the deep conditioner. Y'all saw it's nice and creamy, and I've used this twice already, and I still got at least 2-3 more uses out of this because y'all know my hair is a little fine, my strands is fine. But this is perfect for all of my high porosity sisters, all my high porosity kinks, coils, and curls. This is another great deep conditioner that you can let sit on your curls for at the longest like 30 minutes. That's really all you need. You can do it as short as 10 minutes and while you shower, and it will, like, the ingredients, it says it on the bottle, like it is formulated to deeply penetrate, moisturize, and repair your strands, and it does exactly that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for this, because 10 out of 10. It has the same ingredients. It also has soybean oil, hydrolyzed soy protein, vegetable glycerin, and lots of other amazing products, like I said, to restore and repair the hair. So love these. 10 out of 10 for both of them. Now, as you guys see, my hair has been washed, deep conditioned. I actually just had this bag on it holding in and locking in moisture. So I currently have the Curls. I went out and actually purchased this. They didn't send me this. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Restorative leave-in conditioner, and it has the same great ingredients: blueberry extract, chamomile extract, and this actually has coconut oil as well. Y'all already know coconut oil is very penetrative, and I'll give you guys a little texture shot of this. And it's funny because she's thick, but she's lightweight all at the same time. Like,
What?
so that is what this looks like. Because we not wasting no product around here, you feel me? For that leave-in conditioner, I think I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10, only because I've tried leave-in conditioners that are a little bit, more moisturizing. I can put them on in and out the shower, refresh my hair with it, don't really matter. But because of the slip that I got in the shower, because the way it defined my curls, baby, I am absolutely like this is, it's just water and leave-in and a little bit of oil. That's it. That's all. And it looks amazing, and it feels even better. So we're gonna get into the styling portion. Y'all already know, don't mind my towel. I dye my hair, I do my bentonite clay mask with this towel, so it's a little stained up, but just mind y'all business, okay?
You in my business? Don't do that.
Mind your business. Get out my business. Curls also sent me these, and these are both from the Curls Ultimate Styling Collection. This is the Be Defined Curl Defining Gel. It is formulated with organic quinoa for strengthening and protecting curls, and it is medium hold for braid outs and twist outs. They also sent me from their Ultimate Styling Collection Be Envious Creamy Curl Gel, and this is formulated with marshmallow root to condition and thicken curls. It's also medium hold, and it says use for rollers and rod sets. Now, I love the fact that this is formulated with marshmallow root. Both gels, if you read the directions on the back, will tell you that you can also use them for wash and goes. I also have this, which is the same collection, the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. And this actually says formulated with all the same ingredients from the original collection, except with a little bit of argan oil as well, and castor oil. And I'm trying to see if this one is formulated, what it's formulated for exactly. Use jelly-based styler to defrizz, define, hold, and style curls in place with impeccable sheen. So I'm guessing wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, set it styles. So yeah, I purchased this. And I think I'm gonna use these two for a twist out. Since I already have the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna go in with this first, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of this just for the little extra hold, because y'all already know how my hair get down. So my hair loves me a killer combo. So let's start by sectioning it off. A little bit of gel. It smells kind of like, okay, that's it. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. That's exactly what it smells like. Ooh, I should use it for a wash and go. There's gotta be another killer. I gotta do another video. Ooh, look at this definition, y'all. Look at this. You see it? You see it? Okay. Okay, curls. Didn't expect anything less from a company called Curls. All right, so I'm gonna top that off with a little bit of this jelly. I don't want to use a lot. Okay. Smells like it smells like the water, the last gel, because that's what's on my hand, but it also smells like blueberries, so yes, clumpage. All I'm doing is the prayer hands method. Look at this hair. You better get in formation. I know that's right. Yeah. Look at the juiciness. Look at that. She's so cute. Okay, curls. I see what I have to do. I'm gonna do a bigger section right here. Ugh, my hair is beautiful. This has my hair so beautiful. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist up my hair. I don't wanna make this video too long, but guess what? Guess what? I haven't been here in a while. I've missed you guys, and I'm back. So yeah, we about to do it. We about to just have some fun. I'm gonna twist my hair up. Like I said, I'll be back when I'm taking this down, and I'm back. This part is really simple. You guys see my twists are juicy and they are dry. So although this is sped up, make sure you take your time taking your twist down. You do not want to disturb your curls or add any unnecessary or unwanted frizz. So take them down very gently and then separate even more. So I am back and my hair is complete, but let's talk about it. So I completed a twist out. I used the leave-in conditioner. I used the Be-Defined Curl Defining Gel. And then I used the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly on top. And I did a twist out. You guys saw me take down my twist out and you saw the results. They were amazing for that day. Like, the second that I stepped outside in this Florida humidity, it was over. Like, it does give you a light to medium hold for me. Probably for you low porosity, denser haired, curly girls, it might work perfect for you, but for me and my head, I need a stronger hold. Way stronger than just these two gels. Does that mean that I don't like these products? I love them. Okay. I just know that I would have to pair it with the Wetline Extreme or one of my main choice stylers. So yeah, there's that. But I still have definition. I was able to get this cute little puff. Y'all already know, when in doubt, puff it out. So I'm actually probably about to go wash my hair now, but I apologize that I couldn't make it to you guys the same day after I took down my twist. I had to go to work, and yeah, so this is like 2 or 3 days later. Sorry. But I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure that you are. I have been posting more of Coral's content there. That's kind of why I've been missing from YouTube. And I will be hosting a curls giveaway very soon. So if you guys want more details, if you want to be able to get entered in that giveaway, make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you like this video and make sure that you tune into each and every one of my videos. Don't miss anything because you might miss some information, okay? But I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.